Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off VoiceOver screen reader on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max. Now, if you have enabled VoiceOver or the Talkback feature on your iPhone,
Settings. Free new item. Double tap to open.
now if you want to disable this feature, first of all, just tap on the Settings app to select it, then double tap to enter. Now from here, just swipe up with 3 fingers and tap on Accessibility to select it, then double tap to enter. And from here, you will find the option of VoiceOver. Just tap on it, then double tap to enter. Now, just tap on VoiceOver to select it, then double tap to disable. And once you do that, you will disable VoiceOver on your iPhone. Now, there is an easier option to disable VoiceOver on your iPhone. Now, if you have enabled Hey Siri on your iPhone, you can disable the VoiceOver feature using Siri. For that, just say, Hey Siri, disable VoiceOver.
Okay, I've turned VoiceOver off.
And by doing that, you will disable VoiceOver or Talkback using Siri. And this is how you can turn off VoiceOver screen reader on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.